This is Halloween 2008, Ellie's very first Halloween. She's not quite a pineapple, but she was earlier and she will be again in a little bit. And this is Zoe. This is part of her Fancy Nancy costume. It's a beautiful day. It's like 70. And we're waiting for Daddy to come home.
I want to see Zoe. And I want to see her.
Ellie is exploring the swing set for the first time on her own. You probably want to see the front of her though. You can sit at your picnic table. I don't know if she can or not.
Can you talk? And I want to take that to her. And we can have a team. And I said, write this to me. Okay. I never do this.